Welcome back to another video. Today I will present you this mug of the Terex Finlay J960 Rock Crusher. As you can see, it can drive and steer. The steering is done by a switch on the side of the model. There is also a gearbox to switch between the driving mode or the sorting mode. It uses a single powered up motor and the hub. Since I can't really crush Lego pieces with this model, I decided to focus mostly on the sorting function. So if you throw in a bunch of 1x1 and 2x2 round bricks, it can sort them by size. The 1x1 round bricks come out of the side on a small conveyor, and the 2x2 round bricks come out of the front on a large conveyor. The model is surprisingly accurate. Per run, only about 2 or 3 round 1x1 pieces end up between the 2x2 pieces. So far I haven't had any 2x2 round bricks end up with 1x1 round bricks. So it is very accurate to sort the pieces. However, rarely the 1x1 round bricks get stuck, but you can just push in there with your finger and they will all come out. This model is also available on Rebrickable. The link for this model is in the description. Here you can see some renders of what the actual model looks like, because unfortunately I didn't have some of the pieces, so I decided to not build the decorative elements and only use the structural frame that I need for this demonstration. But here you can see what the model will look like if you buy it and build it as in the instructions. Here is another sorting test from another angle. You can see the pieces first fall in the hopper and get shaken up and down by 4 bars. The small pieces fall through the bars, while the larger pieces slide off towards the large conveyor. As you can see, the batteries of my hub are almost empty, so it is underperforming a bit. But this entire test was run on empty batteries and it still performed well. So I'll soon be getting new batteries to fix this. If pieces can get stuck, like this single piece on the hopper, you can either just wait or reverse the motor for half a second and then it also shakes itself loose. Sometimes the small pieces tend to roll away if you use this on a flat surface, so you can either make them fall in a small container or, like me, just scoop them together afterwards. In the instructions, there are both 50 1x1 round bricks and 2x2 round bricks to sort. This model contains just over 1800 pieces. However, a lot of them are tracks because they are used both on the conveyors and on the trucks for the driving.